Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's having a great, wonderful day, guys. I'm here on behalf of Best Easy Work. I haven't done a video for Best Easy Work for this year yet, but that doesn't mean I haven't been promoting it or working it, okay? I know a lot of times when you guys don't see me, you assume, and I've gotten calls or emails, hey, are you still in Best Easy Work? Yes, I'm in Best Easy Work, guys. Once you join, you're in it. You've invested, okay? So, I've been working on some other projects, but just thought I'd shoot one today, just to bring that back up, that Best Easy Work is a great opportunity, a great online business, especially for people that don't want to talk to anyone. If you want to start an online business and don't want to speak to anyone, this is one of the greatest programs out there. Okay. Now with this one, the owner is going to do all the closing for you. All you're going to need to do is market the program. Okay. Now, let me just go up. As you can see, it's February 28th. I am at the $1,000 level. Okay. With Best Easy Work. There are several levels, so there's a level for everyone. So all you're going to need to do is just take a look, pick a level, get started. Of course, the higher you come in, the better it is for you, okay? That way you don't leave any money on the table, okay? Now, Best Easy Work was created by Martin Ruiz, okay? I think this program has been out maybe 2 years now, I want to say. Don't hold me to it, but I'm thinking somewhere around that, in that era. Martin is a guy that you can reach. I like that about him. I can pick up the phone and give him a call and speak to him. So that is a great, that's a great thing to be able to speak to the owner. If you can do that, that's a great sign. So, this program is for newbies, advanced, whoever it's because, like I said, all you need to do is market it, and Martin will do everything else. Okay. I've had people to join I never even spoke to. Okay, and that's really how he designed it, that you don't have to speak to people. Everything is right here at your fingertips. When someone checks out this opportunity, they can actually, join for free and get access to everything, so they can see for themselves and make a decision. And they can pick up the phone and give Martin a call. Okay, he has a video here. You can check it out on your own. Opt into my page, but a great program. Now, we receive an email pretty much every Saturday from Martin, and I received one last week stating we're at 81,000 members. That's bananas. So the company is growing. Okay. It's not stagnant. It's not, oh, I haven't heard about this in a while. No, it's still going strong. Okay. We have a Facebook group that's very active, and you can be a part of that as well. And you can see people are having success with the program. What I want to do is show you real quick that he included, and he always gives us tips on different ways you can market your program. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick another one, which I've done this before in the past. Let me flip over. Get you a stamper, okay? He shows it right here. Get you a stamper, guys. Self-inking stamper, okay? And get your website put on there. And then when you have money, cash money, what he's saying here is it's legal to go ahead and stamp some cash. When you have actual cash, just put your website on the stamper and stamp it there, okay? And that's just another way to market this business, or any business for that matter. But we're speaking of Best Easy Work. So another way to market, real simple. Okay. Now, what I want to do is flip over real quick. Hold on one second. Okay, here we go. With this program is provided, I like that as well. So there's no question on what you need to do, how you need to do it. I don't know what to do. You simply log in, and your training is right there at your fingertips, okay? So he gives you strategies. He's set up banners. There's traffic sources back here in the back office. Let me go down. All you're going to need to do, guys, is you can do copy paste, post some ads out there on Craigslist, Backpage, anywhere that you can actually post ads. There's a lot of free advertising sources that's out there. And just copy paste these banners. Okay. Your username is already included. Just copy this whole thing right here. Okay. Just copy that. And then you paste it into the ad. Okay. And that's all you need to do. And this picture is going to show up. And then when someone clicks it, it takes them to your website. Okay. Just that simple. So there's a lot of ways to market it. As you can see, he has one right here where you can, you can do a help wanted on your window. Okay, and put a website right there, and then you never have to speak to these people. They're just going to opt in. They're going to see the information. They're going to get Martin's number. They're going to call him. Okay, then you'll get an email notification that they joined, and you'll get paid. Okay, here's some business cards you can use. There's a stamper I just showed you. There's pins. That's an idea that you can do and use it and put it on some pins and hand the pins out to people. Okay. Street signs. Okay. These are street signs. So there's numerous postcards. I'm sorry, this thing is going too fast. You have street signs. Let me back up. Postcards. He has the templates already back here, so you don't have to worry about, here we go. You don't have to worry about trying to create them or what should I say on them. The image is already here. All you're going to do is get them printed and put your labels on them and mail them out. Okay, so there's various templates of postcards back here. Okay, and he recently added EDDM postcards that you can just that the local post office will like for neighborhoods, the post office will mail them for you. Okay, EDDM right here. So just log in the back office. He already has the template set up. Here you go. And it's ready to roll. Okay. So everything is right here, guys. There's no excuses on, I'm not good at online. I don't know what to do. Any of that. All those obstacles have been removed for you. This program, you don't have to speak to anyone. It's online. So you do have to have online access. This is not a mail order. You can use mail order to promote it, but you've got to have internet access because you've got to log in and set up everything. Okay. And once you set up your profile, that's it. All you need to do is market your link, get your domain, and let the system do everything else for you. Okay. So I'm going to flip over real quick just to show you guys some emails I've been receiving. 1 second here. Okay, alright. Now, I'm in my email. As you can see, Martin's name is all the way down here because what I've done is I've sorted the email so that you can see I am receiving commission still for this program. One thing about this program though, guys, once you join, you're going to receive overrides, okay, from your teammates, your partners, okay? If they're, whatever they're doing, when they make money, you make money if someone comes in, at that $80 and above level. So you're going to get overrides, okay? But just so you can see, look at the dates. 6:04 a.m. That's this morning. Someone has entered their information. I don't know if they paid yet because they've got to send that money in. But I'm just showing you that, people are joining. This program is still working. As you can see, as late as February 27th, which was yesterday, I had, 3 commissions that came in. So, yes, it's still working. I'm still in the program. Great program to get started. You can join for free, but your downline will be passed up. That's the only thing. You can join for free, and when someone actually pays, you'll receive $25 commission. Okay? But I highly recommend you actually join at a paid level, guys, so that you can start making some bigger commissions and position yourself to receive the higher commissions. Okay? So once you opt in, you can take a look at all the levels that's there, but there's an affordable level for everyone. Okay, now I'm going to show you what your website is going to look like. Okay, everyone receives this website. So that's the other thing. It's instant setup. Once you join, immediately you're going to receive an email from the company, Best Easy Work, with your login information, your password, your affiliate link. Okay, immediately. So you're actually set up immediately. Need to be set up, built, any of that. As soon as you join, you're going to immediately have access to your back office, to your affiliate link, so you can start promoting this immediately. And this is what the website is going to look like. Okay, we all get the same website. You'll put your name, your email, and your phone number in here, and click submit, and you're all set, guys. Set up your profile. Go ahead, once you log in your back office, go ahead and get your payroll information set up, so that way when you get a commission, it's not held up waiting on you to do that. So I recommend doing that up front, but that's in your training, and once you log in, it's going to tell you how to get started. Okay, so that's it. Best Easy Work is still working. It's still a simple, easy program to promote. All you need to do is get people over here to your website. Okay, that's your job. And once that's done, the system will take over from there. Okay, so that's my update on Best Easy Work. If you have any questions about it, I will have my information below, and I will have the link below, so you can go ahead and get signed up. Okay, and I look forward to you joining my team. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and also subscribe to my channel. Click that little red button, so that way you can be notified anytime I do any new videos. You'll be notified, okay? And that way you're on my subscriber list as well, because sometimes I send special information to people that's on my list, okay? So go ahead and get started with me in Best Easy Work. I look forward to you joining the team. You guys have a blessed day.